She's trying so hard to undo her stinger. She's been working at it for a really long time. I think she's gonna get it. This, I would say, hurts 2, 3, 4 times as much as just getting stung regularly, but I think she's about got it. What really sucks is whenever they try for a really long time and then they can't get it out. Doesn't even hurt anymore. I think she's about to get it. Come on. It's almost out, I can tell. It's so close. Come on. Yay! Is she so, like, fussy at me about to sting me again? That is hilarious. Don't sting me again now that you got yourself unstung. What? How funny is that? She's still trying to sting me.